everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy. So here's my next block of 25 questions with answers. So if you are new to this channel and looking for important INBDE and NBDE part 1 questions with answers, you are at the right location. So before I continue this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video. So let's start with my new Q&A video series. So as usual, my very first slide will provide you all the answers to my previous videos on solved questions. So please tally your answers if you have tried solving those after watching my previous video. So pause this video and compare your answers. So moving to the next slide. Here are the next 10 questions with answers. So here's the next slide with 5 questions with answers. So this is the last slide in today's video where I'm sharing the next 10 unsolved questions. So again, please pause this video and try solving all of these. And in my next video, I will provide answers to all these 10 questions. So now I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Take care.